Hey everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Moments. Today I'm reviewing a watch that I wanted to bring to the channel for a long time, the legendary Steeldive SD1970, one of the most popular affordable dive watches out there. Steeldive always ships their watches in this hard plastic box. It's rugged, feels solid, and honestly pretty impressive at this price point. Opening it up, inside we get the watch wrapped safely, a warranty card, a hang tag, the manual, and depending on your order, you may also get a small tool for adjusting the bracelet. Everything is well protected, nothing loose, nothing cheap. I've opened watches triple this price that didn't feel this good in the box, but let's take the watch out. And wow, right away the dial color really pops. Let's talk about the case. The SD1970 has a 43.8mm case diameter, 13.5mm thickness, and a 46.8mm lug-to-lug distance. It uses 316L stainless steel brushed on matte surfaces with small polished accents. Now, even though the case sounds big on paper, in reality, it wears much smaller because the case curves nicely and the lugs are short. This design is inspired by the classic Captain Willard dive watch, a vintage military-style case that has a lot of story behind it. In the hand, the watch feels solid, dense, and very well machined. No sharp edges, no cheap corners. Steeldive did a great job here. The crystal is sapphire. No coating, no gimmicks, just clean sapphire. That means scratch resistance is excellent. The dial on this blue model is beautiful. Strong sunburst effect, big applied markers, and a clean date window at 3 o'clock. Everything lines up well, the printing is sharp, and the hand have a bold tool watch style. Inside we get the Seiko NH35, a very reliable automatic movement with hacking and hand winding. It usually runs between 5 to 15 seconds per day, depending on the watch. Some buyers in the reviews reported plus 40 seconds a day. Power reserve is around 41 hours, which is standard for the NH35. Now the bezel. This is 120 click unidirectional ceramic bezel. For the price, the bezel action is absolutely acceptable. Some users mentioned the teeth could feel a bit different on some units, but that's expected at this price point. Overall, the alignment on my unit is good, and the ceramic insert looks great. And the lume. This is one of the strongest points of the SD1970. Steeldive uses a very bright lume and it charges up fast. Many buyers even wrote that this is the brightest lume they've seen at this price. In real use, it glows strongly at night and stays visible for hours. The bracelet is stainless steel, solid end links, a good taper, and a milled clasp, which is big win. Many budget watches still use a stamped clasp, but Steeldive upgraded this model with a fully milled one. Comfort is surprisingly good. The bracelet isn't luxury level, but for the price, is completely acceptable. A few users mentioned it's the weakest part of the watch, but honestly, it's still better than most bracelet in this price range. This watch is rated for 200 meters of water resistance, meaning you can swim, shower, snorkel, or even dive with no issues. The screw-down crown feels secure and smooth. As you can see here on AliExpress page, the SD1970 comes in different colors: blue, green, black, yellow. You can check all the specs, photos, and user reviews right here. I'll leave the link in the description if you want the full details. On the wrist, the SD1970 feels great. It has presence, but not too much. The case hugs the wrist nicely and doesn't feel awkward. The blue dial really catches the light, and outdoors it looks even better. So after unboxing it, wearing it, testing the lume, checking the bezel, crown, and overall finish, here's my honest opinion. For the price, This is one of the best value for money dive watches available today. You get sapphire crystal ceramic bezel, 200 meters water resistant, solid steel construction, a reliable NH35 movement, and excellent lume. If you love dive watches or vintage style watches, the SD1970 is absolutely worth considering. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy affordable automatic watch reviews, don't forget to subscribe to Mechanical Moments. I post new reviews every week. See you in the next one.